Is Windows Update KB5062660 refusing to install on your Windows 11 24H2? Don't worry, I've got your back. First things first, restart your PC. Sometimes that's all it takes. Next, double-check your internet connection and make sure you have at least 20 GB of free space on your C drive. Disk cleanup can help you clear out any clutter. Now, let's get into the fixes. Step 1. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Head to Settings, then System, Troubleshoot, and find Other Troubleshooters. Click Run next to Windows Update. Still stuck? Time for a deeper dive. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and type in a few commands to reset Windows Update components. It sounds technical, but just follow the commands listed in the description below. When you're done, restart your PC and try the update again. If that doesn't work, run SFC and DISM scans. These tools fix corrupted system files. Open Command Prompt as admin, run SFC/scano, then the DISM commands from the video description. Reboot and check for updates. Another tip, check Device Manager for any driver issues. Update any drivers with a yellow mark, especially graphics and network drivers. If you use third-party antivirus or firewall software, try disabling it temporarily. Sometimes it gets in the way. Still nothing? Download KB5062660 directly from the Microsoft Update Catalog and install it manually. And if all else fails, you can use the Windows 11 Installation Assistant or Media Creation tool for an in-place upgrade. Just make sure to keep your files and apps. Remember, KB5062660 is optional. If it won't install, you can safely wait for the August Patch Tuesday update. Need more help? Error codes and event viewer logs can point you to even more specific fixes.